Tia, and I upload 4 times a week normally, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but anymore I'm uploading every single day, so this is a perfect time for you to subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Today is a very special video because I'm doing a collab with a wig slayer that is amazing, and that is Wigs2Waistlength. If you don't know who she is, you need to finish this video, click off, and go straight to her video. We are doing a collab together. I absolutely love her reviews, her videos. She's just so thorough. She's been around. She knows what she's talking about. So like I said, if you have not subscribed to her channel, like legit, you need to. If you have already subscribed to her channel, why don't you go ahead and put that down below, because I'm just interested to see who you're watching, who you're liking. This girl that I'm wearing right here is from Persephone, and I have a whole Persephone playlist, and so I get them on Amazon, and you can go check that out. But today we are doing a tag. I came up with a bunch of different like wig related tags because I originally started my channel as a beauty channel, and there's tons of beauty tags, but there aren't a ton of like wig related tags, and I think it's just nice to sort of find out, outside of just reviewing a wig, kind of, you know, what our thoughts are about wigs or our experiences or what have you. This one that we're doing together today is if I had my own wig line tag. There are about 8 questions. So, question number 1 is, what would your pricing be like? So I would want to have pricing that sort of had affordable options, but also that would allow me to have, you know, very customizable, you know, maybe like free parting options. So I would like to keep mine in the sort of $20 to $50 range. Like for me, paying $50 for a wig is like, but I'm also purchasing a lot of wigs at once. So I do know that if I could make a wig that was really high quality, you know, pre-plucked hairline, all the little bells and whistles that would make it worth $50, I would do that. But I would want whatever price point, it would be like worth it. Personally, I really like the $20 to $30 range is what I'm usually comfortable. Really, let's be honest, I'm more comfortable in the $20 to $25 range. So I would definitely like a significant amount of my wigs to be in that range, but be as high quality as possible. Next, number 2, what would the theme or aesthetic be? Like for instance, would it be like daily wear wigs, fashion, cosplay? I think overall mine would be daily wear, but eclectic, because I feel like daily wear wigs for different people mean different things. I'm fortunate enough to have a job where I can pretty much wear anything I want. I definitely wouldn't want to go like the cosplay route, and I don't know that I would want to go like just full fashion, but I feel like there is a middle ground between daily wear and fashion. I think maybe that's where I would put my aesthetic in, is in the in-between space. You know? 3, what would your color scheme packaging be like? If you had to compare yourself to an existing line, what would it be? Color scheme and packaging. I'm partial to like greens and yellows. I think that it's just like bright and fun, and there's a lot that you could do with that in terms of themes. So I think I would probably definitely be like in that green, something green. I'm a very sparkly person, as you can tell, so there would definitely need to be some like glitter aspect to it. My packaging be like, I really do like the Charisma and the Persephone packaging, so I feel like I would want that. I would definitely want all my wigs to come with wig caps in them, you know, all those little goodies and things like that. So I think an existing brand would be similar to like either Charisma or Persephone in terms of how their actual outer packaging is, and I would want to make sure that the packaging that I was choosing had as little waste as possible. Like I love when they come in like the box thing, but there's so much packaging that you take out and get rid of. I do really like how Persephone and Charisma do that, and the outer package that it comes in can be reused. So like the package for this one, there was like a little plastic bag inside of here, but if you can see, I could easily put this back in here to store it. So I do like that it could be, you know, multifunctional. So that's what that would be. Number 4, how often would you release new wigs? So I would want to release new wigs, you know, definitely by the seasons. That's just normal. but I also feel like I would want to do, you know, like specialty releases, maybe have a particular line, like sort of a, you know, the more affordable line. I think I would like to release more often, and just giving people like a lot of options to buy different types of wigs over the year. Number 5, what do you want to be known for? How would you be set apart? Color, edginess, textures, etc. I think for me, I would want to be known for like color mixes, and being able to do a color mix that is still wearable. Like that definitely would be, I don't want to say edgy. I really like the whole eclectic. Like eclectic speaks to me as a person. But I think the other thing I would want to be known for is to have wigs that serve a multicultural fan base. I don't think there's enough wigs that serve women who have non-textured hair, blonder hair, thinner hair. Like I really think that there's a hole in the market for that. And I also would like to have like styles that can be worn by women of different ages. I am 43. I don't feel like I need to wear a wig that's like this short little bob, you know, soccer mom thing. That's just not who I am. So I would definitely want to be known for wigs that are just, you know, versatile and crosses over boundaries in terms of multiculturalness, you know, what's appropriate at what age, you know, really like sort of marries all that together. Number 6, what would your dream wig company collab be and why? Before I even finish this sentence, if you have been here, you know exactly who it is, so put it down below. I want you to put the name and then boom at the end, okay? And I want to see how many of you are paying attention. So the dream collab can either be with my own wig line, or if myself right now could collab with an existing company, who would it be? Free Trust Equal. I'm obsessed with Free Trust Equal. I love Free Trust Equal, and if I could collab with Free Trust Equal, I already know like what I would suggest, but anyway, if I could collab with Free Trust Equal, I would like legit lose my mind. I would lose my mind. Free Trust Equal. Number 7, would you give out PR wigs? How would you distribute it or decide who to send it to? I definitely would give out PR wigs, because I feel like that's, you know, just like with makeup, it's anything when you have a channel like this, when you're reviewing, you only have so much money, especially at first, to get started. I would want to spread it out. I would really want to hit some, you know, up and coming wig reviewers, like that, even in the like sort of 200 to 300 subscriber mark, you know, all the way up to, you know, the 100,000 or whatever. I would definitely want to spread it out, but I think I would, you know, make sure I hit even like below 1,000 for sure, because I think there's some really amazing wig reviewers coming up, you know, myself included. As I'm filming this, I have 1,300 subscribers. I worked really hard to do that, so I do get PR wigs, and I'm so grateful, because it has helped me do and review wigs that I wouldn't normally be able to, you know, afford, or like newer wigs that I wouldn't have access to if I didn't get them in PR. So I would really want to help sort of the smaller channels that are doing amazing things. Number 8, would you rather sell the wig line yourself or on your own site, or through a retailer, and why? So I definitely would want them to be sold online, but I have been toying around with having sort of like an in-person place where people could like come to me for like wig coaching and buying wigs in person, not like a beauty supply store. But I feel like it wouldn't matter, like I could do both. One isn't, you know, mutually exclusive. So I don't think I would want my own site, because I think like a lot of, because I do sell wigs on Poshmark, which is essentially my own site, and sometimes like I'll get a lot of orders at once, and like just the packaging and sending it out and all that kind of stuff. If I'm at the point where I have my own wig line, I definitely would want an online retailer that can just do all of that sort of stuff. That is the if I had my own wig line tag. I hope you really enjoyed it. I'm very excited to go over to Wigs2Waistlength and see, you know, what she would think, especially because she's been doing reviews longer than me, so I'm interested to see what her thoughts would be. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't subscribed, or you haven't been over to Wigs2Waistlength to see this collab video, go ahead and do that while you're there. Make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, hit the bell, hit her bell, hit my bell. Just hit the bell, ring the bell. I want to sing it so bad. Okay, I'm not going to sing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you are a wig reviewer or wig slayer, tag you're it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.